Hey again, and welcome back. I think this is going to be a pretty short video. I've been doing some cleaning up in my house, and I found this, which is my first ever smartphone. This is the iPhone 3GS, I think? 3GS? But I found it because, well, I don't know if you can see that, but this is cracked. So if you've known these phones, they were rounded like this, but I think some of that rounding is actually due to the battery expanding on the inside. So I figured we'd take it apart and see what it looks like. So first things first, yes, it is extremely dirty. I am an automotive technician by trade, so this thing was always at work with me. And these were the days where they expected me, well, they expected pretty much everybody to work long hours with no overtime. I didn't have a wife at the time, so, I was just always at work. So it makes sense why this thing is as dirty as it is. I don't remember if I've had this apart before, but definitely I should have looked up a tutorial on how to open these, because I don't actually know. I wonder if there's a screw at the bottom here. Now I don't really care what happens to this phone because, well, it's quite a few generations out of date. I've had two other iPhones since. Does this slide? Does this open this way? I seem to remember these old ones. I thought you could access the battery just by taking the back off. All the new ones, I know you have to take the screen off. So I'm not sure here. I haven't watched a video or anything. I probably should have. Well, something's coming off. I'm just not sure if it's the white plastic backing or if it's the chrome front bezel. I think the 4, I remember, the iPhone 4, you could remove the screen quite easily. Something's coming apart. So if you have a cache of phones hanging out in a drawer somewhere, best you take a look to see if the batteries are going to swell up. I don't think it's a big deal. I think they just discharge themselves. But I think if you try to charge it, then things go boom. And for those of you who actually know how to do this, I apologize. I figured it was time to, I just wanted to take this apart, and I figured I'd make a video at the same time. Why not? Some of you people find this interesting. Okay, something went flying out of here. That is totally not how that's supposed to come apart. Okay, I don't know how that was supposed to come apart, but not like that. Well, I got chunks and chunks of stuff. This phone will never work again. I feel like that was correct, though. I feel like you had to take the back off somehow. I may have just ham-fisted it a little bit. Maybe I'd take the SIM slot out? I don't I don't know. Apologies to the Apple fanboys. That's my SIM card. Okay. So let me just be clear. This battery is definitely deformed. I don't know if you can see that bow in there. I'm going to try to remove all these screws. So this one's broken. I think I was supposed to lift the screen out. Oh yeah, okay. The screen comes out. That's probably what these suction cups were for. I feel like I haven't been inside my 3GS. Look at all the dust around the sides here. Yeah, I don't think I've been inside this one. But at one point I knew how to take them apart. This was a long time ago though. And I hope you're not here for an analysis of the circuit, because you probably won't get it. Oh yeah, as soon as I take those screws off, the whole board wants to come up. That battery is in really bad shape. And you know what? I don't even have a metal tin to throw this in if it goes to shit. But oh yeah. This thing has been stressing the screws. And you know, it probably wanted to come apart because the battery's been pushing on it. It says do not remove down there. Broken anyway. Oh yeah. Take this flex cable out. Look at how swollen this thing is. Okay, I'm gonna have to find something metal. Give me 1 second. Okay, I have a metal explosion-proof container. Yeah, this is a bit stressing. Crazy how small the phones used to be. Let's see. Can I peel this up? Well, now that I have my metal explosion container, I actually feel a lot more safe just peeling this off. And there we go. Oh boy, look at that. It's not getting warm or anything, so I don't have to worry about it too much. Bunch of crazy stuff. I loved this phone, you know. I was debating getting it at first. Then a friend of mine convinced me that he didn't regret getting his, so I got it, and it was great. Look at this little camera. I wish we could use these little cameras. Try to lift that off the pad. I'm going to hang on to the camera with some optimism of being able to use it in the future, but I'm not holding my breath on that one. Everything else here is in a metal can, just probably soldered down. But yeah, they've really changed from the 3GS to the 4 and 5 and 10. But alright, so we got our battery. Let's see if she's got any juice left in her. I don't know if we're in focus either. There we go. DC volts. Absolutely nothing. So probably what's happening is that protection circuit up in here has cut the voltage the rest of this from getting out of the cell. Whoops. Rip that apart. That's okay. Just want to get to the contacts here. And again, I'm not concerned because I have my fireproof device beside me. Get these tabs out. Okay, let's see. Like 26 millivolts, so this guy's pretty much dead. So what I'm going to do is probably just going to short the connections together and put this in the recycling. I'm not sure where we get rid of lithium-ion batteries here, but I guess I'm going to have to find out. But yeah, this was just a short little video, and yeah, thanks for watching.